Betty Sue, and
I'm Peggy May.
We're gonna go.
And I'm Sarah Ann.
Wake up Kelly Marie Goebel. She's sleeping right now, and
She needs to get a good
she
work
needs
in.
to get a good workout in, and it's early, and we're gonna do that. So we're driving to her house and see how this goes.
Yes.
Like your little pigtails, Peggy
Thank
May.
you.
Now, where
Thank
does
you.
this girl live?
Little bit.
I believe,
They don't tell us this stuff, do they?
No, but remember she has the Expa Chum Scum, so we know
The
where she
Strum
lives.
Scum.
The Expa Chum Scum.
The
What
Chum
the-
Scum.
Her car.
She has
When
the
did I
Strum
put
Scum.
this on?
Okay.
I really don't remember. We're at Kelly's house right now, and we're about to go in. We're gonna go wake her up. It's like 2:30 in the morning. It's really early. It's okay. Good. Let's go. Okay. Talk to her dad. Go, 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 go.
Good morning, Kelly! How are you on this fine day?
Hi, Kelly.
How are you doing?
Come on, Kelly. Wake up. You gotta get out of bed. We're gonna get you to work out. Come on. Get up. No, you gotta get up. Ready? We're gonna do some knee-high things, okay? Ready? All right. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Get that morning workout! Woo! Ready? We're gonna do some push-ups. Right here? Go. Come on, get down. Do push-ups. Go, Kelly. Go! Go! Get up! Get up, Kelly! Come on! On your feet! Just a sit-up. You know prom's coming up. You want to look into that dress? Come on! Break! Woo! Break! Go! Go! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Sit up! Boom, 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 boom. We're in your room! We need to have a sleepover. Why are you wearing sunglasses? No, why are you wearing sunglasses? Woo! Okay. Why do you have this stuff in your room? Oh, yeah, that's it. Wow. Okay, let's go. Where are we going? Sweet home Alabama, Bama, Bama, Bama. Woo! Work it out. Kick from here. Yeah. Kelly, where'd she go? She's sleepwalking. She's sleepwalking. I was gonna turn to the other side when I saw the door open. I was like, what is that like? No.
Wait, what did you think?
Go back to bed. It's 3. So what?
What did you think when the workout girls came in the room?
Go home.
She thought we were being evacuated. What are you gonna do now?
I don't live in River Mist.
Are you going back to sleep?
Yes. Kelly.
Bummer. Boring.
Bye.
Be careful. You could be next.
Sleep with one eye open.
Are you making fun of me? Because I sleep with one eye open.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop.
Thanks, Maddie. Shoes. Shoes.
What are you gonna wear today?
Shoes. Shoes. What are you gonna wear today, Kelly?